Stop.
I'm John Cristani, and you're invited to an exclusive webinar that I'm hosting this week on how I was able to build my internet business from nothing to the point where it's now fully automated and making me at least $1,000 profit every single day. 4 years ago, I was actually a 9-to-5 corporate slave. I ended up quitting my job, traveling the world, and becoming an internet millionaire. Now I'm hosting a series of webinars this week where I'm going to go over exactly how I've been able to create my automated internet business step by step. I've created my business so that it supports me, so that I'm afforded the freedom of time to wake up whenever I want, and the freedom of location to be wherever I want. If you deserve more than what you're making at your job, if you deserve a better life than having your time, which is your most valuable asset, controlled by forces outside of you. My goal now is to share what I've learned with as many people as possible.
I would recommend this program to anybody that's starting out in affiliate marketing and doesn't know which way to go or how to get into it. It gives you knowledge that saves you time. That would take you years to learn on your own.
One of the best teachers there are.
He has your best interests in mind.
He's as good as it gets as far as teaching.
I highly recommend this program to anybody that wants to get into affiliate marketing and start their own business to live their great quality of life.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
The webinar space is limited. Registration is done on as available basis. So make sure you register. There should be a link somewhere on, above, or below this video where you can sign up and register for this webinar I'm hosting this week. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar, maybe even seeing you someday.